Okay, we're going to try this out. See if I can plasma cut the bottom off of this thing. Got our torch. We're set. Turn on our light bulb. All right. See if we can make a straight cut. We'll go a little slower. It has a lot of parts where it sticks, but I think we're getting there. Yeah, we're just about done. No falling. Come on. That's good. That's two, damn it. All right. My wood started getting in the way, but it is basically there. I'm going to bet that a small strike with a hammer. No, not quite. Okay, well, let's find those stuck spots. Hey here. Oops. This is a warm tank too. Oh, there we go. All right, where's it stuck? Okay. Right there. Get my finger into the trigger here. There we go. Ta-da! That's one hot tank.